What we have here is we have Discord. On the left hand side is the actual app. On the right side is just a web browser version of it. What you're going to do to begin with is log into your Discord account, whatever preferred method you have, either the application downloaded to your PC or your Mac, or just launching Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Explorer, whatever your favorite browser is. Once you log into Discord, you're going to look at the bottom left hand corner where it shows username. And we're going to find that little user settings cogwheel. I'm going to click on that cogwheel. It's going to give you a bunch of categories on the left hand side. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the connections tab, and we're going to link our Twitch account to Discord this way. So I'm going to remove it from here because I linked it earlier because it was testing. It's connected. And then I'm going to click on the little Twitch icon. And the same thing goes for YouTube, Battle.net, Steam, and everything else as a Discord in. Now, I was already logged in to my wife's account on this browser, so it didn't ask me for those credentials. But typically what happens is you click on it, and it asks you to log into Twitch. And then you authorize the application to link to Discord, and it links itself like this little purple window. Same thing goes for the rest, for Steam, for Facebook. So that's done. So we linked our Twitch account to our Discord. Next thing you're going to do is go down to the streamer mode. Now, streamer works in two different ways, two major ways. There's a manual mode, which is what I'm doing now. And then there's an automatic mode like the left-hand side already has. When you enable this, this is more for console players. When you enable this manually, I'm going to click on it right now and hit the little X up here, which is escape. It throws that purple bar up, especially if you're a console player. This thing grabs you from your current, what the bot does is it grabs you from your current group and puts you into a live status. That's why we're enabled. And what that account does when you link your Twitch to your Discord, it shows your status of what you're doing. You know, currently Ben Weezy is live on Twitch and he's playing Battlegrounds, PlayerUnknown Battlegrounds, and you can click on watch because you linked it, so you give people direct access to that Twitch when you do that. Now, for PC, laptop, and people that stream on Macs that use either OBS or XSplit or Streamlabs OBS or Slobs, same thing. What it does is this mode enables itself automatically when you launch your streaming software if you stream on the same PC that you play on. My setup's slightly different, but we're not going to talk about my setup. We're going to talk about 90% of people's setup. The minute you launch OBS, it'll throw this purple bar up saying, "Hey, this person is about to stream," and that's one of the automatic functions. But if you don't stream on that same PC, then you have to manually turn it on. So the other thing that I recommend turning on or off, I should say, if you are a console gamer, is if you go to games and this little category under game activity, display currently running game as status message. Or if you don't run the game, say for example on my gaming PC, if I'm not running it and I'm not running Discord, it won't show what game I'm playing. So you want to turn that off for if you're a console gamer. If you're a desktop PC gamer and you have your Discord on the same machine your OBS is, and you want people to see what you're playing, regardless if you're streaming like me, I'll leave this little option on. And the minute that you go live, if you go to the Discord, say you were in community manager, streamers, and say Real decides, like right now he has it enabled to show me what he's playing, but he's not streaming. The minute he streams, there's the bot, what it does is it grabs him from here and places him up into the GST live role. And then you'll see him turn purple. That's the color of the actual role. And then you can actually go and watch them directly. Like right now, Slim is streaming. I'm able to go directly to his channel via that role. So that we're just trying to simplify things so everybody can know when everybody's live, and that's the method you use it. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me.